Another Epicflows Production.
Okay. Well, what we want to have done is to have it overturned over to your home. But you're living over there in what is your state again? What is your state again?
But I mean, if you have a package for me and this is a call from Bank of America, shouldn't you know where I'm living?
Well, please give me a moment while I check the system here, because it should be here. Okay? One moment. Is it Brooklyn, New York?
Yes.
Okay. Your address is 126 East 93 Road?
93rd, not 93.
Oh, 93rd.
Yeah.
Okay, what have happened is that we have sent you a notification letter for you to be aware of the price package that we have here for you, ma'am. But we didn't get any further information pertaining to this package. Just
Who directly is the package sent to, though? Because there's a bunch of us living here. So who directly is the package sent to?
Who's directly the package sent to?
Yeah.
Well, that is the problem, because we have a Chris line fix. Am I right?
A what?
Chris? Is it Chris line?
Chris Line?
Slate?
Chris Line Slate?
Yeah.
No, that's not me.
Oh my God.
Yes, so the two blood clot thief. Because that's not even my address. Nobody no leave your name, so stop calling me blood clot number on the third thief. I don't have no act together when I not call people for thief their money ball package.
Let me know. Who am I speaking with?
You not speak to a raw soul because you have a wrong address, you have the wrong name. You recall a crow that blood clot background. You know no wicked and bad?
Oh, yeah, man.
How are you? You know wicked and bad in all the cockacrow, cuckoo. Like seriously, my youth, get your acts together, man.
Yeah, man. Oh, no, you're still like I sound like a yard.
Get your acts together, man. You don't have to know who me. Get your acts together, man. And if you stop TV people, them, you know.
Oh, I'm going to left Jamaica.
My youth, me ain't in an argument. Just here, just take a number you off of your list, no?
It's epic out here. Epicflows Production.
Radical epic. Epicflows. Leash. Big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
Yeah.